Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on GMT. In today's video, I would like to show you once again this huge breakout that is happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this very huge falling wedge pattern. In fact, before the breakout from this wedge, when it was quite squeezed inside this falling wedge pattern, the movement was quite squeezed. I've been telling you that now there is a very high probability that soon we may break out this wedge. And so far, from this low to this high, you can see that GMT has rallied more than 21%, but could not break out this downtrend line resistance and this quite long-term resistance zone that starts from 40 cents and goes to 51 cents. Previously, you can see that this resistance zone has been breaking as a support here and support here. And after the breakdown, it is flipped into a very strong resistance. And for the past several months, it is breaking as a very strong resistance. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will still need to break out this resistance on as well. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move. And I would also like to show you a quite big inverse head and shoulder pattern as well that it has formed on the same 7 days time frame chart. This was the left shoulder, and here we have the formation of the head, and this is the formation of the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And at the same time, you can see that it is also targeting to break out this quite long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And we will also want this resistance. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for GMT that I shared a few days ago on 18th of March 2024 with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 60% very massive pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for GMT that I shared on 18th of March 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal bad move that GMT formed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that this time the price and moved slightly down than this potential reversal zone, but it covered back very soon. And then we had a very powerful pump, and so far it has rallied almost 60%. And before that, we caught almost 21% pump, and this move was formed on a 4-hour time frame chart. And I shared this idea on 10th of January 2024 with my members. And this was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that GMT formed with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal and read the sell target zone here. And this was almost 21% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of GMT. And this is the 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that previously it was moving inside this quite long-term falling wedge pattern since after the month of April 2022. And after getting squeezed inside this wedge, finally we broke out the resistance. And by the way, before breaking out this wedge, we also found a quite long-term support here. That was at 14 cents. And after getting bounced from this support, the price then broke out the resistance of the wedge, and then imminently it also broke out another very significant resistance of 22 cents as well. That was previously working as a support here, resistance here, and support here as well. And now we have recently broken out another very significant resistance of 30 cents, and now it is also working as a nice support. Previously, by the way, this 30 cents has been working as a support here and resistance here, and now it can again work as a nice support. Right now, the price is trying to break out this downtrend line resistance that is in fact the neckline of a quite big inverse head and shoulder pattern. And at the same time, it is also struggling to break out this quite long-term resistance zone that starts from 40 cents and goes to 51 cents. And at the same time, it is also trying to break out this huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. I'm expecting that as soon as it will break out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, it can also break out this Ichimoku bearish cloud and this resistance zone as well that goes to approximately up to 51 cents. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this expected breakout from this inverse head and shoulder pattern, Then after the breakout, the technical target can be here. That will be approximately at $1.32. And in that situation, we can also break out these two upcoming resistance levels. One is at 80 cents and the next one is at $1.15. And the target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is between $4 to $5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.